Promote your business and encourage more orders with offers on Uber Eats. Offers can help your restaurant stand out while encouraging larger orders and more orders from customers. Restaurants that run offers see on average a 22% increase in orders, a 31% increase in new customers, and 17% revenue growth. To get started, head to the Marketing tab in the Uber Eats Manager platform. Explore the wide range of offers available. Once you've decided on an offer, select it from the list and customize it to best suit your needs. Take buy one, get one free, for example, an effective way to boost your order volume. Select up to 10 items to include with the offer. Next, confirm audience, duration, and a weekly budget that controls the number of redemptions, or simply stick with Uber's recommendation. Finally, launch your offer once all information has been entered. Your offer will be shown to customers on the home screen and on the page dedicated to offers. Learn what offer works best for your store by checking your results. It's time to experiment with Uber Eats offers and become your own marketing expert. It just takes a few clicks. Offers can help your restaurant stand out while encouraging larger orders and more orders from customers. Open the Marketing tab to get started.